Hello guys, this is a short video to present for you Activity 7. Activity 7 is going to be a real-time activity, it's going to be in the classroom. So I will let you know the dates so that you can be in the class, okay? Remember, it's going to be on real time and I will let you know the date, so be careful with pay attention to the email and pay attention to the platform, okay? Activity 7 is about your dream vacation. This is a reading exercise for expressing your ideas about a place you would like to visit someday. Okay? So it means that we're going to write a paragraph trying to have information about a city that we would like to visit. I will give you the information. You will need some vocabulary. For example, some vacation activities: visit places, go out, know people, know places, taste food, enjoy nightlife, enjoy parks and different places in the city. You can talk about vacation activities. They are exciting, they are great. They can be amazing activities, amazing things to do, terrific people, terrific places, terrific, for example, a restaurant or things like that, an excellent trip. Means of transport: you can go there by airplane, you can travel by train, you can have your own car and travel, you can go by ship, or you can go by bicycle too. The weather: usually we have hot weather, or we have cold weather, we have humid weather, windy or warm. Depends of the city, depends of the country. Okay, so that's general information. That's vocabulary. So the activity goes like this. We use some words for orientation. For example, my dream vacation. And I start talking. Okay, so I would like to visit a city called Liverpool. That's my dream city. It is nearly 500,000 people there. It is in England. I have to go there. I have to go there by plane. I have to go to the airport and get a plane. I need money. What do I need to be there? I need money, I need a passport, and I need a visa. The weather in that city is usually windy and cold. Okay? The city description: it is a large city, it is near the ocean, and it's usually very crowded, a lot of people. You can visit historical places and the museums particularly. You can also visit the pubs, and you can go to the ocean. Okay? I'm interested in the city because it's a cultural city in England. Additional information: I would say that it's the city of the Beatles, the rock band, and the Liverpool Football Club. Then you should be able to write the paragraph. You just need to get out of the questions and the orientation words. For example, my dream city is Liverpool. It is in England. It has nearly 500,000 people. I must go by plane. To be there, I need money and I need a passport and a visa. The weather is usually windy and cold, so I need jackets and gloves. It is a large city. It is near the ocean. It is usually crowded. I can visit historical places, the museums. I can visit the pubs, and I can go to the ocean. It is a cultural city in England. It is the city of the Beatles, the rock band, and the Liverpool Football Club. Okay? That's the exercise. It's very simple. It is like created sentences so that we are able to create a paragraph. Okay? So remember, this is a real-time activity that we're going to do in our synchronic meeting. So I will let you know by mail, and I will let you know in the in el aula virtual when it's going to be your activity number 7. Have a very nice day. Bye.